But before we talk about Mchunu, I really have a problem with the so-called legal experts. Sometimes they are protecting the criminals, sometimes they are protecting your politicians. So I really have a problem with people who are called legal experts. Let's go to Newsroom Africa. There was a legal expert that was invited in the Newsroom Africa where they were talking about Madlanga Commission. They were specifically talking about Senzo Mchunu. So this person said, no, we need to wait and listen what Mchunu has to say about these allegations. I mean, what the heck? Let me put this clip.
Careful not to put the cart before the horse, Coley, but obviously we'll just deal with what we have for now and also give a benefit of a doubt, at least for now, to the minister when he will come to cross-examine through his legal team and the witnesses and also give evidence. But what is clear is that there is evidence that allegedly he was connected to certain individuals. It's in the public domain, such as Kurt Motlala and so forth. So he will need to explain what was his connection to them, and especially also how his decisions benefited, certain individuals in the criminal space. Allegedly, I'll say again, because the most important thing that Justice Madlanga said was, we need a criminal justice system that upholds the rule of law. And for our constitutional democracy to function well.
So I really have an issue with that. I don't think we should be discussing Mchunu at this moment. Mchunu should be arrested, okay? Why somebody is not issuing a warrant of arrest? Because poor South Africans are arrested based on allegations. Now, in the Madlanga Commission, the Provincial Commissioner of KwaZulu-Natal, General Lieutenant Ramkhonazi, did not play there. He came with evidence. We now know that Mchunu has a very close relationship with Sibiya and Vusimuzi Matlala. We know that because we've seen WhatsApp messages. What more do we want? There's also evidence. Apparently, Mchunu went to a hotel that was paid by Vusimuzi Matlala. What more evidence do we need? We've seen their conversations. Arrest this man. What are you waiting for? Why do we need to hear his side of the story? He needs to go to court and explain. He should be explaining there, not to the Madlanga Commission, because we know this man is corrupt. We know we've seen a letter, a disbandment letter. We've seen a letter where he was disbanding the political killings task team. What more do we want?